Today we will see the next lesson in test of reasoning, next in series. What is a series? Series is a sequence of numbers or alphabets which is based on a predetermined rule or logic. You will be given a series, a number series or an alphabet series, and you will be asked to find out the next number that will come there or next alphabet that will come there, or intermediary or some other intermediary number or alphabet. All we have to do is to find out the predetermined rule or the logic upon which the series is based. Once we find out that, all we have to do is to find out the next number or any other missing number. The questions in next in series will come under four broad categories. They are first number series, then alphabet series, then third is alphanumeric series, and the fourth is repetitive pattern series. We will see all the four kinds. Our aim in producing these lessons is that you must be exposed to all patterns of questions that are likely to come in the examination. So that once you are exposed to the patterns, it will be easy for you to recall the patterns and arrive at answers in the exam. All you have to do is to substitute the numbers because you already know the logic. Therefore, we have tried to give you in this lesson as many patterns as possible, and as far as possible we have included some recently held questions from some recently held exams, so that you will have a feel of the exam as well. With these two objectives, we have prepared the lesson. Now let us jump into the series. Before the end of this lesson, the lesson objective is that you will be able to solve problems based on number series, problems based on alphabet series, problems based on alphanumeric series, and then problems based on repetitive pattern series. Now let us look at the number series first. With regard to number series, I want to show you something. Now number series may be based on some logic. 8, we are just adding 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is the logic. Now similarly, so many other number series will come. Some of the series will be based on addition, some of the series will be based on multiplication, some of the series will be based on exponentiation. So how to find out which one is involved? You have to look at the numbers. Suppose we put in x-axis the value of numbers, and here the numbers themselves. If the series grows in a very mediocre manner, 8, 10, 12, 15, something like that, then some addition is involved. It is arithmetic series. It involves addition. Suppose it gallops little faster, it grows faster, 8, 20, 40, 80, then it involves some geometric series, which involves multiplication. Suppose it climbs like a flight, zooms to 80, 400, 800, like that. If the number increases at a very quicker pace, then it means it involves some exponent. 3 cube, 5 cube, 4 cube, something like that. So by looking at the way the numbers grow, the way the speed with which the numbers increase, you will be able to find out whether it involves addition, or it involves multiplication, or it involves exponentiation. So this is a basic clue which will help you to identify. Then another clue which I want to give you, with regard to the number series is that there may be two series. They first make two series and then sandwich it so that it will look like one series. For example, now what is this? If you look at the number as a whole, you will find it very confusing. But when you look at it as a two series, it will be simple. 15, 13, 11, 9, 8, 10, 12. What should be the next number? Obviously 14. So, in number series, look for patterns for two series. That will help you to identify two series. Then with regard to number series, I want to tell you one more clue. That is 3-level series. Sometimes some of the number series will be having 3 levels or 3 layers. We will have to work out. We should not stop at the first layer and lose heart. We should go deep, delve deep, and in the third layer you will find the answer. I am not going to tell about this in detail now. We will see the problem when you will be able to understand. Now with this brief introduction on the number series, let us jump into solving the problems.